Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today I'm very excited to show you the July Wix Wax and Wardrobe box. If you are not familiar with Wix Wax, they are a candle company that has several different kinds of subscription options available. You'll see on this channel the candle of the month, the wax melts, so there's several different options to choose from. This one is a t-shirt and a candle monthly. It is $19.95 per month and it's going to be a $36.95 value. And you can choose your scent profile for the candle that you get, and then you get surprised with the scent in that category. So this is the shirt I got in my June box. I love my t-shirt. This is the June box t-shirt. The one I got for May is orange and has a sunflower on it, and it's amazing. I cannot wait to see what this one is. So far they've all been home runs. So the Wix Wax boxes always come very nicely wrapped. I've never had anything come even close to being broken or damaged. They're very well packaged. If you unwrap it, you'll start seeing the candle, and then this will be the t-shirt. I'm going to start with the candle first. And it comes in a cute little box. You got your cute little Wix Wax box. And these are the 8-ounce candles, and they are in a nice jar with a screw top lid. Very fun. This one is Paradise Punch, and just doing this, I got a whiff of it. You guys, this is like the best. This reminds me of childhood. Okay, for me, my Saturdays were fruit punch and cartoons, and this is that punch. So, oh my goodness, I cannot wait. I cannot wait to melt this one. This one will be lit as soon as this video is over. I can tell you that for sure. This is an excellent one, and these burn forever. I forget off the top of my head how many hours it says that the 8-ounce candles should burn, but I know the last one we got much more time out of it than what it said on what it was supposed to be. So love, love, love. If you are enjoying this video so far and would like to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button. You won't be disappointed. Let's check out that t-shirt. Honestly, with this box, it's hard for me to say which one I look forward to most. That's the candle or the shirt. I am becoming a t-shirt girl, and I love the t-shirt club. And for $20 a month, you get a t-shirt and a candle, you guys. Come on. That's an amazing deal. All right. Ooh, the color is the same color as the wrap. I literally have no idea what this is going to look like. So this one, ooh, nice. This says, "Let the adventure begin." This is a great one for summer vacations. If you're going on a trip, let your adventure begin, especially if you're going somewhere with mountains. That's really pretty. This is a gorgeous raspberry color, a very nice cotton, really great t-shirt. Another win on the t-shirts for these. Another great t-shirt. I love it, love it, love it. I'm so excited for this subscription. I look forward to it every month. And I'm very glad that I got it very early this month. So now you can see which one you can get for July. Now that you've seen the July t-shirt, I encourage you to go to the website. I'll leave the link in the description below. Check out the subscription. You can get 50% off your first box. There's going to be a coupon code in the description as well. Get a subscription from her, whether it's the candle of the month, the t-shirt with the candle, whatever one, you will not be disappointed. But I love this one. It might be my favorite, although I can't say it's my favorite. I love them all. So you guys won't be disappointed whichever subscription you pick on Wix Wax. Check it out. You will love what you get. I want to thank you so much for joining me today on Beth Unboxes. If you did enjoy this video and would like to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. But for today, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.